Going well. I am satisfied with this product and recommend to buy all of the. Super. The best 4-star rating double-door fridge in TH market. Usually we find all 2 stars and 3 stars double-door fridges in this price range. Even got discount from Amazon owned Cloud Pioneer Limited. Thanks Amazon. Happy customer. Good. Great product. It's a very good deal. Installation by representative is also well. Got this product in between 2 days of delivery. This refrigerator has low sound and awesome product. Must buy for small family. Value for money. It's beautiful too. Good product. Great product. This is 5 feet tall ref. Without any stand. The delivery was on time and the demo and installation guy was nice. We could blindly go ahead to buy this product. Nice looking refrigerator and will get satisfied for your invested money. Very good product. Amazing cooling, no light in freezer. LG should work on it. But overall LG brand proves itself that it is the best company. Would like to give 5-star ratings for LG and Amazon for timely delivery within 72 hours. But also 0 ratings for delivery person, did not support me. I got it in 23,490. During Facewell sale. Very nice. Good condition. Working good. I got it yesterday. Good delivery. I got a message that LG call within 48 hours to install. But I personally called them to send man to check product and install. Unexpectedly they send man to install within 1 hour. I am very happy with LG and Amazon. Thanks Amazon for delivery. Good product, simple and long lasting. Good and cool. Thank you Amazon for fast delivery without any dent or scratch on the product and LG for installation done on the same day of the product delivery. So far no issues, working smoothly. All over good product according to price. Comfortable for 2/3 family use. Nice product and fast delivered on time. Very super refrigerator color is very beautiful. Very good condition, no scratch. So, super. LG 260 liters 4-star frost-free double-door refrigerator GL-I292RPZL. Absorbed, shiny steel, inverter linear compressor is energy efficiency, large spaced and value for money. I purchased it at 23,990 rupees. Excellent cooling and silent operation. Main drawback is its less vegetable storage capacity and big upper compartment for cold storage. At least everything is perfect. Really good product on Amazon. Quality good, nice refrigerator and best service. Overall awesome. Super silent. Cooling is good. Really the fruits and vegetables are mains fresh for more 2 days in comparison to my old one. After 1 month I can say it was good decision to purchase my refrigerator from Amazon. Perfect for my requirements. Cooling is very nice, build quality is very good, promptly delivered, box packing is okay, not much satisfied. Product is excellent. Good performance, low electric consumption as given. Suitable for 3 to 4 person family. Bit dent mark may be seen due to transportation, but product is excellent. I bought an RS23040/ in August 2018. Quality product in this price. It's great to see. The functionality is also very good. I didn't receive keys with it. Same as described. Very good delivery by Amazon in 2 days and very good exchange price. I'm very satisfied with this deal. Go for online. लोकेक शॉप वेल बहुत जूट और कहेंगे कि ऑनलाइन पुराना बिक है हो है मेन जैब लोकल शॉप में गया तो मुझे सेम मॉडल 260 LT का 3 स्टार 253 के साथ मिल रहा था और Amazon पे 4 स्टार 194 साथ लोकल वाले कहेंगे कि ऑनलाइन वारंटी सर्विस नहीं मिलाती, वो सब बकवास बेट है, मार्केटिंग है। First impressions, on time delivery, no damages or dents. Well packed and really good product. Let's see how it works. Very nice product. Nice fridge and faster cooling with low power consumption. Good product. News service by Majo. Click link in description for more reviews.